Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again, which at the bottom will reveal a power button. Click on it, and then from the options you want to hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, which we will confirm by selecting OK. It will initiate a reboot of the device, and when the phone boots back up, it automatically goes into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you've installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. Neither you nor the device can start it up. And as you can see, now that the device booted back up, we do have a watermark right here letting us know that we are in safe mode. And additionally, also, widgets don't work in this mode. That's why they look kind of weird right now. Now, I don't see any application that can showcase that it wouldn't be working here. I think Motorola just straight up hides the applications from the home screen. But alternatively, they might appear as a semi-transparent gray applications, so those would be the ones that it can't run. Now, if you're trying to get rid of some kind of application that is causing you problems, but it's not showing up obviously here, you can do this by just simply going into the settings and apps, I believe. Yep, there we go, apps, and then all apps, and it should be somewhere in here. Now, once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, pull down your notifications again, twice, power button, and choose restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.